Hi friends, welcome to Tech Media. Before going to start, if you are not still subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for latest videos. Today I'm going to explain how to execute HTML code in Windows, and also I'm going to explain how to write HTML code. Let's see the example. The code must be written in notepad. So you need to have notepad and web browser. Firstly, open Notepad. First of all, what is HTML? The full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language, and it is the standard markup language for design document to be displayed in web browser. And it can be assisted by technologies such as CSS. CSS means cascading style sheet, and scripting languages such as JavaScript. I will going to explain CSS and JavaScript in further videos. Okay, next. To write the HTML code, we need to understand the tags. Then what is tags? Tags is nothing but an HTML element. HTML element delineated by tags, written using angle brackets. So let's write the HTML code. So what is doc type? All HTML documents must start with doc type. It's a declaration. This declaration is not an HTML tag. It's not an HTML tag. It's an information to the browser about what document type to expect. Here the type of the document is HTML. So we need to write HTML. This doc type HTML is not an case sensitive. So then you should add HTML tag next. Next, head tag. Then what is head tag? The head tag or element, it's a container for metadata. What is metadata? Metadata means data about data. The information about the data. Here the data is HTML document. The information about the HTML document is the metadata here. The elements that go inside the head tag or head element are document title, character set, styles, scripts, or and other meta information, such as we use title tags, style tags, base links, meta script, or no script tags are used for document title, character set, styles, scripts, and other meta informations. In further videos, I am going to explain these tags clearly. Inside head tag, I have already said title come inside the head because head tag is container of metadata. So write title. Title must require every document. Inside title tag to write the title of the document. For example, page title. Then close the title tag with open brace / and title, then close the brace. Close the angle braces will be used here. and then close the head tag. Then to add body, body tag. The what is body tag? The body tag defines documents body or documents content. Here, the body element contains all the contents of the HTML document, such as headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, tables, lists, etc. Inside body tags, we use, for example, it's an heading tag. You can also change the heading font size by H2 or H3 or H4 to change the size of the heading. Inside the heading tag, write the heading. For example, I write, this is a heading. And then close heading tag. Then how to add paragraph. Paragraph can be write by using this is paragraph tag. For example, I write inside the paragraph, this is a paragraph. Then close the paragraph. Then close the body tag. And then close HTML tag where you have started your HTML tag and head tag, HTML tag and body tag, and you have closed your. Then save the document as I'm going to save this document as control.html. You have to save this file as .html extension. So you should save in desktop. Just click on save. And close this. And you can see the file here. You can see the document here. And open this file. Open with any of the browser. I'm opening this file in Google Chrome. You can see the result displays as follows. So this is how you can execute a simple HTML code. Next video, I'm going to explain about HTML elements. I believe this video is going to be very useful to you. And if you like this video, please like, comment your queries, and please share this video. And please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.